You're a webmaster. You know what you're up against. You get spammed, hacked, and crawled. You get popular, which is awesome, but can't handle the surge in traffic, which is not awesome. Your server goes offline, often at the worst possible time. Search engines punish you when your site loads slow. Then there's that uneasy feeling about some of your visitors. Are they friendly? Are they the embodiment of pure evil? How can you know? Feeling alone? The big guys have their abuse teams and expensive solutions. They're covered. With Cloudflare, you can be covered too. Cloudflare is a community of webmasters just like you. Our goal, give you access to the resources previously reserved only for the biggest sites. Cloudflare protects your site by pooling the knowledge of hundreds of webmasters into a virtual fraud and abuse team. Like a neighborhood watch. If a hacker or spammer is spotted on one site, Cloudflare instantly responds to thwart the attack. Cloudflare uses the size of its community to get access to the fastest internet routes and fattest pipes. Cloudflare speeds up your whole website by distributing its content across the web. This also means that Cloudflare can keep it online even if your server goes down.